unstoppable. I'm unstoppable. I'm a lion, call me tamed. I'm a cannibal.
Hey guys, I am Fawful Magical from the Fawful Kingdom, and today that there is something magical for today. We are here back in July on the 4th once again, though I don't think this will be uploaded on the 4th of July, but a couple of days after. For the event we wait for every year, as you can see from all the cars in the street that are parked. The Kenny Fields Independence Day 4th of July fireworks special. And yeah, today should be hopefully a W episode. We're gonna be with Vern, maybe Yusuf, JJ, hopefully. And we're just gonna have to see where it goes from here. I have no idea what direction this night's gonna go, but I hope it's a good one regardless. Okay, well, as of current, we're down the bike path. We got some time to kill before the sun sets and the Kenny fireworks actually start. We're being joined by Vernon, of course. And right now we're gonna go to Colvin Woods and take a little stroll down memory lane, as we spent a lot of memories there and built memories over the years there. There. What do you say?
Is that shit still flooded?
I don't know. We're gonna find out. If it is, I'm not trying to go through all of that, but if not, then we'll see. Let's go this way. Ow, shit. Okay, we're here at the remains of grief, as you guys can literally see. This is now a storage facility, so it's boring now. Can't get inside, and it's not abandoned. So fuck that. But we're not here to grief. We're going here to Colvin Woods. This is where I filmed The Purge, behind all this fucking greenery. Maybe we could try getting in there, and if it's flooded, then we'll get the fuck out.
Think about all of the abandoned buildings that still need to be explored.
It's true, you're right. I don't know why I jumped down here. Yes, and this is where it was flooded in April. Clearly that's not the case anymore. Vernon, of course, as I said earlier. And first appearance since season 2. It's Mr. Ty August, Savia Souza.
I said the whole government name, bro. What's up, bro?
Yeah, let me say your fucking address too.
Social security.
Yeah, exactly. Like, drop that shit as well, bro.
Well, what's the plan for today?
We're gonna try to find me a girlfriend. It's been a tough breakup session with me, so that's the move.
What's the mindset going through?
There's no women here, bro. So we're going to try to go deeper, and hopefully we find the perfect.
Deep? Do you mean like in there?
Yeah.
That crowd of people?
Yeah. And then I bump into them type shit. I bump into them. Like, my bad about that. So what's your name?
What do you say?
What? You want an icebreaker, anyone?
It's I gotta smell good when I pull up like that. When it reaches, bro, the fireworks are gonna start like when it sunsets. So I'm going to go that side, and if people are still here, mission failed. But I got a request.
Which is?
I asked those two people if they wanted to have a multi-way relationship. They said no. It was rough, but I'll move on.
Alright guys, so as of current, we are basically solo as of right now. Vern went somewhere, but he'll be back. Savia also went somewhere, he'll be back. It's about 9 o'clock, literally actually. So I assume they're gonna wait till 9:30 to, you know, start the fireworks. It's obviously not dark yet, but The sunset looks very beautiful, as you guys can see. I can't wait for the fireworks too, so hopefully everyone pulls up, but we'll have to see.
Oh yes, annual JJ.
Wait, let me know when to let me know when I can restart it. How to stop it?
Sorry, alright.
How to stop it?
Alright, it's already recorded.
How you stop it?
Top one.
What are we doing after this, fellas? The mom, biggest hit.
I don't know yet. Me and Mirror and shit.
Look at him up,
Me and Mirror and shit. 3rd of July.
Yo, mom. You got his dog shit.
Big Chevy. Cousin.
That's good, man. You get up here. Good job. I've been on the fucking road, man. Yo, we back over there, Zay.
What up, bro?
Devon, get down. Huh? Yo, Zay. From there. Yo, Zay. From there. Yo, Zay. What? Yo, Zay. I'm goated. Back, we over there. I'm goated. We over there? Why do you have that dick shirt on? You dead ass, bro. Yo, Zay.
Bro, yes.
Yes, bro. What the fuck? Bro. You leaving again? Yeah. Yo, come back down. Go back down. How you coming back? No. He's like, alright, man. Where he leave? I was like, I'll be back.
Fuck these giants.
These niggas is 6 foot.
Yo, this shit just turned off.
Yo, they out laughing again. I'm finna go finish my job, man. I'm about to go finish my start and then you see the dreads.
What the fuck just happened, bro?
I don't even know, bro. He better drop a bomb on our ass. Oh, we're done.
3. Imagine you see a whole line of fire that's coming towards you.
Hello? Where are you at? Come on, bitch. Oh, there we go. Bro, why are they setting off like one firework like every 30 seconds? What the fuck?
Oh shit. Nigga
Get the fuck back in the car.
God damn it.
Alright, well guys, that's pretty much the end of the episode. The fireworks was kind of trash in my opinion, but we split up with Verna and JJ unfortunately. We're here right now with Yusuf at Dave's Hot Chicken, which is kind of new, just opened up essentially. It's pretty good, not the best, but pretty good in my opinion.
Timing couldn't have been any perfect.
Oh really? They just brought it out?
Literally. Which one did you go?
Mine's a 260, 69. I'm not, don't worry, I'm just doing my outro. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this 4th of July special. Stay magical, oh yeah, subscribe if you want to. Stay magical and love life. In the Fawful Kingdom. Thanks guys.